So my name is Jeff Hurst. I'm owner of Axiom Service Professionals. We are an environmental consultant here in the Midwest. I've got 26 years of environmental consulting experience, and we've got a number of talented folks on our staff. We do environmental consulting and testing, and we have developed a cleaning protocol for COVID-19 and a disinfection protocol, which is vitally important in today's times to prevent people from becoming ill. The cleaning protocol revolves around disinfection of touch points and surfaces and workspaces. The idea is to eliminate dust, debris, and residue from surfaces that might carry bacteria and coronavirus COVID-19. The protocol can be as simple as touch point cleaning and disinfection for spaces where you want to be proactive. For spaces where you have a confirmed case of COVID-19, it goes beyond that. You still would have the touch point cleaning and the disinfection aspect, but you would also look at establishing negative pressure air changeover, negative pressure containments, critical barriers, cleaning all touch points 8 foot and below, cleaning the walls, cleaning horizontal surfaces through the HEPA sandwich method, which is HEPA vacuuming, then cleaning with a disinfectant, and then HEPA vacuuming again. All the debris and waste that's generated would be bagged at that point within the contained area, sealed, goosenecked, sealed to a cart and taken out of the work area through a decontamination chamber. So these protocols are protocols we have written and that are in use today by Phoenix, and we feel very strongly that Phoenix, following those protocols, has a very effective disinfection protocol for COVID-19 cleaning.